Okay.
Hey, let's do that one. Hey.
You didn't just say that, did you?
This.
Oh, one is for one of you and one is for the other. Try to figure it out.
This is that.
Which one has the girl things and which one has the boy things?
Hey, this one. Look what I got. Look what I got.
Wow.
Whoa, look at this. Look what I got. Look what I got.
Wow.
Look what I got. I got this. Whoa. I got these. Wow, I got these. A ghost book.
Ooh. Do you know what it says?
Hey, I got rubber bands. Candy. I got rubber bands.
Wow, you got silly bands.
Whoa.
Stickers. Tattoos. Thanks, Ma.
Whoa, look at puzzles.
Ooh, Dada likes those, Bella.
Glow in the dark stickers. I got this book. I got the silly band.
Oh my goodness, you guys.
Whoa. I got this.
How the heck does she fit all that stuff in that little box?
Halloween stuff. A spider. I got these sexy spiders.
Ooh. Awesome. What do you think of that? Brayden, what do you think of that?
Awesome.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you who?
Thank you, Nanny.
What do you say, Bella?
Thank you.
Thank you who?
Thank you, Nanny.
No, don't thank me. I didn't send it. It's from Nani.
Nanny.